got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Got both feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I'd be tight. Not tonight. You're gonna hear me, gon' dance it off goodbye. My love, can we drop this? Our time can't pass us by. This bond makes us stronger, just to be together. All I wanna do is crash now when you're spewing facts. Now I know that I am getting better. We know that we can get crazy when some things seem hazy. I know that I am getting better. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I'd be tight.
My dinner. I did the fish. This. My husband did the rice. I'm gonna go eat this now. After 4, I'm hungry. Happy Monday, guys. It's about to 3 now, and I'm heading out now to go to the pharmacy. Need to check out the price of something on a prescription and see if I can fill it today. Also have something to print for my church. I'm now a personal ministry secretary. I don't know everything about the role, obviously, because it's new to me. Just got it in January, but yeah. It has something to do with ministering to persons and winning souls for Christ and stuff like that. So yeah, wish me luck and God's blessings on that new position this year. But yeah, so I have something to print off that the leader, because I'm secretary to the personal ministry leader, told me to fix and print off from a Google Doc for him. So that's what I'm gonna do as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along. Today was a bit of a productive day for me so far, because I got to kind of finish up a project for one of my clients that's due tomorrow. When I come, I'll just put on the finishing touches and then let her know that she can review it and provide any feedback and stuff like that. So then I have a meeting at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time this evening with a potential client. So I need to go, hurry, come back, which I should be able to do that because I'm not going to do anything much. And I have about 3.5 hours before the meeting or so. So going to rush out now, get those started out, come back, prepare for my meeting. I think it's going to be a video call, so I can go have on my bonnet and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. Send it here, right? Alright, let me send it to you. Alright, I sent it. Should be 2 pages. Yeah, that one. Hi. Well, I want to know if you have this and what's the cost. thingies. Yeah. Oh, wait there. Watch it. You just have it. Oh. What you're not saying to me? 5,720? For how many days? For how many days? Guys, we are waiting to leave now. I'm hungry, but I go hot up my son them on them. Just buy little chips, sir. And make pasta. So yeah, quick run. I'm not even doing it 1 hour. I go back home, thank God. Hey guys, so I'm back home. Oh. So I'm back home about to eat some Sunday Monday. I still have some time left before my meetings, so I'm just gonna quickly eat something. I was gonna buy a patty, but I didn't bother because I didn't stay where I went too long, like less than an hour, so literally, thank God. So I'm just gonna eat something now, and then I'll continue doing some work, and then I'll have my meeting at 6:30. It's almost, I think it's almost 5 o'clock. So yeah, timing is not bad at all. I gotta eat now. Pop. Drink some Gatorade. Alright, hey guys. So it's 6:13 p.m. A potential client messaged me and said that she asked if we could meet 6:15 instead of 6:30. So I'm about to join the meeting now. Just quickly take off my bonnet and put on back the blouse that I did have on earlier. The beauty about working from home and stuff like that, it need to just dress up. I literally have a little shorts and I have a night and my crocs and my socks because the time cold. And that's it. Alright, so she sent me the meeting link. Let me just sign in. I have 1 minute. Let me just quickly sign in. Let me just switch this account. Sign in with the email that she gave me. I have 1 minute left, but I'm gonna join now. Let me see how this looks without on my laptop without the ring light. Ooh, it's extra dark. Looks like me have to try keep on the ring light during the meeting. It's so dark. Alright, later guys. Let me join. Hi, I'm good, thank you. How are you doing? I'm doing good, thank you. Nice to meet you too. Understand. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, that's how the platform is. Yeah, they are. Hey guys, I'm back. Meeting went pretty well. Thank God. Just hoping for the best and hoping that I can build a long-term relationship with this client, because that's what I always aim to do with my clients. Once I'm comfortable with working with them, I like to build long-term relationships and stuff like that. So yeah, I should get started with them, I believe, this week. So excited about that and this new journey. I mean, you know, this new project, and it will be multiple projects that I'm gonna work on with them. So yeah, just updating you all on how the meeting went. It lasted for around 30 minutes or so. Yeah, or almost 35 minutes. So yeah, talk to you guys tomorrow. I might end the vlog, I might not. Let's see. Yes, I did. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.